The city guide industry is outdated. Modern travellers can either hire a tour guide, which offers no flexibility and is usually expensive, or carry around a book, which is difficult to navigate and doesn't offer an immersive travelling experience. Current digital solutions to this problem are fragmented. Quality navigation lacks original content, whilst quality audio lacks maps.
Urbs is a city-focused iOS and Android app offering best-in-class and unique content written by cultural experts and local writers, as well as a route plotting function that allows users to plan out their day, and a ticket booking integration that lets travellers skip the queues and make the most of their holiday. Our immersive platform removes the complexity of city travel, allowing people to understand the cities they're in like never before, in a way that's simpler than ever before. Each location features a 3 to 5 minute standalone audio description that helps put the place into context and bring it to life.
This magnificent neoclassical palace has been the official London residence of the British monarch.
Our unique approach allows travellers for the very first time to create personalised tours based on their own interests, schedule and budget.
The value of the tours and travel activities market is estimated at $150 billion. However, tour guides have an image problem with younger demographics that isn't easily going to go away. At the same time, the written travel guide market has been in decline. People are choosing to consume information in audio format. Audio is replacing text in all areas of our lives, from voice notes to podcasts. We're riding this new wave and have produced audio content that will inform and satisfy people's curiosity in a way that's both fun and easy to digest. Over the past year, we've worked with more than 20 leading experts from places such as Oxford and Cambridge universities, Condé Nast Traveller, and Forbes to produce content for 7 cities across Europe, such as Paris, Venice, and Athens, with 2 more in the works. Frustrated by poor audio quality and existing audio tours, we've ensured that our descriptions are brought to life by experienced and often bilingual voiceover artists who have featured in major television shows on Netflix and the BBC.
The Urbs platform now has over 400 cultural locations, more than 25 hours of unique audio, and over 600 restaurants, bars and cafes recommended by local experts. We've also built a route plotting function that allows users to plan out their day. We felt that any tour with a meeting point lacked spontaneity, and so we've put the power in the hands of our users. They can map out any route they like or edit one of our in-house curations. Last summer we integrated a ticket booking feature, powered by our affiliate partner. For the very first time, we're offering travellers a holistic experience. They can see museum, gallery and attraction tickets linked to each location on the map. When they book a ticket through our co-branded site, we take a commission.
Our vision is to develop a one-stop shop city platform, which satisfies an enormous and constantly growing market. Oxford Economics claims that by 2025, over 800 million travellers will visit the top 300 cities around the world. We're using this funding round to produce content for new cities, grow our user base, and add some great new features, such as accommodation booking, a social function where users can share their routes, and B2B guides, where we partner with UK tourist boards, create content for a fee, and drive further users to the platform. They say that all roads lead to Rome, but we won't stop there. Join us today and own a share in the future of city travel.